where a protest by the Congress unit against the centre took a controversial turn. What was meant to be a demonstration outside the ED offices quickly spiraled into a display of verbal abuse. Telangana Congress working president and former MP Anjan Kumar was caught on camera using foul language directed at Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy. The protest, staged by the Congress against the centre, is now sparking outrage over the use of indecent and inflammatory remarks.
कल बोल रहा किशन रेड्डी अरे क्या बोल के बोल रहा तू कांग्रेस वालों शर्म ఉందా धरना చేస్తున్నారు अरे कांग्रेस में है बोल के तो आजादी लाए देश के लिए कुर्बानियां किए देश की अखंडता के लिए काम करे प्रिय नेता राहुल गांधी कन्याकुमारी से कश्मीर तक 4000 किलोमीटर पानी धूप आए तो भी फिर पद यात्रा करे.
The BJP, while demanding strictest of action against a Congress leader, is calling out the party for what they call a stooping to a new low.
तो ये है राहुल गांधी की मोहब्बत की दुकान. तेलंगाना में कांग्रेस के वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट वैसे क्या वर्किंग कर रहे हैं वो तो भगवान जाने, परंतु वो किस प्रकार से खुले मंच से सार्वजनिक रूप से यूनियन मिनिस्टर जी किशन रेड्डी जी को गालियां दे रहे, भद्दी गालियां दे रहे, इसलिए क्योंकि उनके विफलताओं को एक्सपोज करने का काम वहां पर जी किशन रेड्डी जी और भारतीय जनता पार्टी कर रही है. कभी स्टूडेंट्स को गाली, उनकी पिटाई, जब फॉरेस्ट लैंड को डिस्ट्रॉय करते हैं और आवाज उठाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, कभी मीडिया और पत्रकारों को गाली. राहुल गांधी जी, यही है मोहब्बत की दुकान? किधर है मोहब्बत के सेल्समैन राहुल गांधी जी?
And now we are getting the first reaction from the man who has been at the receiving end of this abuse that was hurled by Congress leader in Telangana. Here is what G. Kishan Reddy has to say.
जो कांग्रेस नेता, कांग्रेस पार्टी के वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट जो भाषण दिया है, उस नेता से मैं यही अनुरोध करता हूं, जो भाषण लोगों के सामने मेरे खिलाफ बोले हैं, सिर्फ आपके घर के बच्चों के सामने, आपके परिवारों के सामने ये भाषण ना सुने, यही मैं उनसे अनुरोध करना चाहता हूं.
आप कंडेम करना चाहेंगे सर ऐसी भाषा?
बिल्कुल, तेलंगाना जनता कर रही है. मैं आज तक मेरा इस 40 साल से ज्यादा से मैं जब छात्र से लेकर आज तक काम कर रहा हूं, कभी ऐसा भाषा कोई पार्टी के ऊपर, कोई व्यक्ति के ऊपर उपयोग नहीं करता हूं. उनके ऊपर छोड़ देता हूं. तेलंगाना जनता तय करेंगे ऐसा नेताओं को क्या करना चाहिए.
Extremely dignified response coming in from the minister over there to extremely undignified comments, Somit.
Many years, over a decade and a half now.
Somit, can you?
Well, can you hear me now?
Yes, please go on.
Well, Kishan Reddy, we have been covering Kishan Reddy since more than a decade now, 1.5 decade now. We have never saw Kishan Reddy making any undignified comments or using any foul language. And yesterday, TPCC working president, who's also former MP, Anjan Kumar Yadav, has, while countering the statements made by Kishan Reddy, he has used foul language, he has used abusive words addressing him. And later, Kishan Reddy exclusively spoke to Times Now, and he has reacted to those comments and stated that in my 40 years of career, since from student to the union minister for the second time, I've never used such language, and Telangana people are already condemning it, and Telangana people will take decision when it comes to these kind of politicians, is what Kishan Reddy has stated, and Congress is yet to respond on this matter.
Right, but it was a protest against what Congress party perceives as intimidation, political vendetta. What do you think would have prompted a senior leader like Anjan to resort to such unparliamentary language instead of just putting across the political opposition or dissent to the action taken against the Gandhis?
See, several leaders, they were speaking against Prime Minister Modi and also Amit Shah and also several others. And Anjan Kumar Yadav has also spoken on that dais near the opposite to the ED office, regional office in the Hyderabad city. And later, because day before yesterday, Kishan Reddy has conducted organized a chit-chat with the media, and he has given several quotes against the state government, and mainly he has also responded on the Kanchagachibowli land issue. And basically responding to those statements, Anjan Kumar Yadav, his very senior leader and working president, one of the most senior leaders of the Telangana state, we can say, he should have just responded to those statements, but he has used foul language, which is being condemned now.
All right. Thank you, Samit, for joining us with those details.